Okay, this video shows how to use the Android Auto. So first we need to open this CarLink app. Sometimes it may be the Z-Link app, but it doesn't matter. Okay, second we must use this USB code, which is integrated with the AV cables. Sometimes this cable may be a green color, but it doesn't matter. Please don't use this single cable. This cable is wrong. This one is right. Okay, so we connected the Android phone to the cables, to the USB code through this cable. Okay. Okay, Android Auto. Okay. Thank you.